We're gonna start here with the magic ring. We're gonna chain one and we're gonna single crochet into the ring 7 times. This is 1. We continue like that until we have 7 total. For the next round, we're gonna chain one and we're gonna make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So we're gonna end up with 14 single crochets. In the next round, we're gonna chain one and single crochet in the same space. In the next stitch, we're gonna add 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And in the next stitch, we're gonna 1 single crochet. And then 2, 1, 2, 1, and we continue like that until the end of the round. In this round, we're gonna start with chain, single crochet in the same stitch, and in the next one we're gonna make 2 single crochets. We're gonna repeat exactly the same we did in the previous round. Now we're gonna start crocheting the petals, and for that we're gonna chain 10. Now we're gonna skip these 2 chains, and in the third one we're going to do double crochet. We're gonna make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna do 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So this is the first half double crochet, second half double crochet, and this is the third one, and in the next stitch from the previous round, we're gonna slip a stitch just to anchor this. Now we're gonna turn our work and we're gonna slip a stitch in the next 4 stitches. So that's the first one, that's the first one. Now this is the second slip a stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in this very top of the petal, we're gonna single crochet right there on the top. Now we're gonna turn our work. We're gonna chain 2 and we're gonna make 3 more double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Or better, we're gonna make 1 double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to slip a stitch in the next stitch from the previous round to anchor that petal. We are going to start with the next petal, and like that we're going to end up with 10 petals. We're going to start here with the magic ring. Now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to single crochet into the ring 7 times. This is 1, 2. Guys, here we're going to join the new color, and I'm using this orange, and I'm going to use that to join, close that ring. Here in the first chain we're going to slip a stitch, and then we're going to make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to slip a stitch in the back of each chain. If you see in the back there is a leg right there, so you insert your hook right there and you slip a stitch. Let's do it in the next stitch. So you do it in the back, you insert your hook right there in that little leg, in the back of the stitch, and then we do a slip stitch. And let's do it again in the very last stitch. So just turn it around, insert your hook right there, and do a slip stitch. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a slip stitch in the next stitch from the previous round, and we're gonna repeat exactly the same. We're gonna continue around. We're gonna end up with 8 of these little petals. Now we're gonna make a single crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make it very loose, the stitches, and I'm going to slip a stitch in the back of each chain. So the petals are going to end up a little bigger because I'm making the stitches very loose. Now I finished this petal, and now I'm going to slip a stitch right in the back of the petal from the previous round. And I'm gonna go ahead and do slip stitch in between these two petals from the previous round. I'm gonna slip a stitch right there. I'm gonna make single crochet in the same space, in the same stitch. Now it's time to sew the little flower to the big one and attach the little brush pin. I hope you guys like this project, and I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.